For an efficient and durable learning, learner, with the learner's characteristics, ability to learn only, no request level of motivation only, no opportunities to learn only, no desired level of ability and motivation. These are options. You can see that efficient and learning. In the options also given like only. Then we can say that desired level of ability and motivation to learn. Motivation is the best part here. So here requested level of motivation only, which means is adequate level or sufficient level. Okay. Sufficient level is not enough. So desired level of ability and motivation can be the best option for an efficient and durable learning. The learner should have desired level of ability and motivation. That's the answer. Okay, classroom communication must be definitely not teacher centric, general centric, no, textbook centric, definitely not. It should be student centric. I was told that the best classroom in a best classroom, student should talk more, teacher should talk less in content, not in classroom, but based on content, students' participation should be 80% and faculty participation should be 20%. So if a classroom is student centric, then the classroom communication must be student centric. Yes. The best method of teaching is to impart information. That's basic. Ask students to read books, rote learning, suggest good reference material, like improvisation, yes. Initiate a discussion and participate in it. So either can be best method of teaching is to either suggest good reference material, but comparatively with initiate a discussion and participate in it. Among the given options, we are not saying that this is the best option to suggest a good reference material or initiate a good discussion and participate in it. Among this given, either suggest a good reference material or to initiate a discussion and participate in it. So among these two, this would be the best option to initiate a discussion and participate in it. So either C or D would be the correct answer, I think. Yes, that's the correct answer. Initiate a discussion and participate in it. So whenever this kind of questions, so here you can see the best method of teaching. The question given, we cannot say initiate discussion and participate in it is the best option among all the teaching methods. Here, the given option, within the given 4 options, we can say that initiate a discussion and participate in it is the best option. Spare the rod and spoil the, we know that. Spare the rod and spoil the child gives the message that yes, undesirable behavior must be punished. So punishment in the class should be banned. No. Corporal punishment is not acceptable. No. Children should be beaten with rods. Definitely no. So undesirable behavior must be punished. Would be the best answer, best option given. Yes, that's the right answer. The type of communication that the teacher has the classroom is termed as the type of communication that the teacher has in the classroom is termed as interpersonal, true, mass communication. Maybe it's we can say mass communication to needs mass media. It should be a massive crowd, so that's possible. Group communication, the teaching methodology we can use it, but in entire classroom, face-to-face communication, yes, but would be best in mentor-mentee during mentor-mentee sessions or like project methods. Like, so if we focus on individual student, then it is best method. So for the entire classroom, interpersonal communication can be termed for a type of communication. So the right answer is interpersonal. Then, if you get an opportunity to teach a visually challenged student along with normal students, what type of treatment would you like to give him in the class? So situation-based question here. A, not giving extra attention because majority may suffer. Okay. You get an opportunity to teach a visually challenged student along with normal students. So along with normal students, we have differently abled students. So what type of treatment? Okay. Not giving extra attention because majority may suffer. Not best option, I would say. Take care of him sympathetically in the classroom. Maybe, but not during along with the normal students. You will think that blindness is his destiny and hence you cannot do it now. Definitely not. Arrange a seat in the front row and try to teach a pace convenient to him. So, if we are not giving extra attention because majority may suffer, no, you can say that you can have special treatment, like some treatment should be given, but special care, but sometimes he cannot understand the words. Majority may suffer, but we have to give extra attention. Take care of him sympathetically in the classroom and arrange a seat in the front row and try to teach it a pace convenient to him. So among these, this would be the best option. So you can try to teach him at a pace that is convenient to him. That would be the best option. So you can see the answer. Yes, that's the right answer. So we are going to teach to a student, differently able student, at a pace that is convenient to him. Okay, that's the right answer. Which of the following does not belong to a projected aid? Does not belong to the projected aid. Overhead projector. You need this slide projector is needed. APDS. Okay, I don't know what is this, but definitely not a blackboard. At least if it is a whiteboard, we can use it for projecting, but definitely not a blackboard. So we can say that whiteboard is the best option here. Okay. Sorry, blackboard is not belong to the projected aid because even if it is a whiteboard, then we can say yes, but blackboard we cannot even project it. I don't know what is CAPTR scope. We will check later. Yes, blackboard is not belong to the projected aid. For a teacher, which of the following methods would be correct for writing in the blackboard? So we are going to write in the blackboard. Which of the following methods would be correct? Writing fast as clearly as possible? No. Just like my maths teacher. Then writing the matter first and then ask students to read it. Maybe you will check again. Asking a question to students and then writing the answer as stated by them. No. Writing the important points as clearly as possible. Yes, that's the right answer. Among these three, so correct writing on the board would be writing important points as clearly as possible would be the right answer. Yes, that's the right answer. That key teacher can be successful if he or she helps students becoming better citizens. Yes, imparting students knowledge to the students. Yes, but it is basic requirement. Prepare students to pass the examinations. Yes. Present the subject matter in a well-organized manner. Basic. These are also basic. So among these three, B and D are basics. You can say that we can help. The teacher can be successful if he or helps students in becoming better citizens or prepare a student to pass the exam. Either of these two. Maybe we cannot say that In last session also we have seen that if a student fails, it's the teacher who fails. So compared to that, either a teacher can be successful if he or she helps students in becoming better citizens, or neither, according to this history of the questions we have learned. Either, so it can be helps teacher who helps students in becoming better citizens or prepare students to pass examination. Either A or C. Yes. So here, based on history, I also noted this, but based on history, they given prepare students to pass the examination as per it. Dynamic approach to teaching means teaching should be forceful and effective. Yes, basic requirement. Teacher should be energetic and dynamic. Yes, basic requirement of a teacher. The topics of teaching should not be static but dynamic. Yes, the student should be required to learn through activities. Yes. So dynamic approach to teaching means the topic of teaching should not be static but dynamic. Dynamic approach, yes, that's additional plus. If the topic is dynamic, then that is additional. I'm saying that students should be required to learn through activities like innovative teaching methods would be helpful. So either C or D. So far as concerned, this is additional plus. If the topic is dynamic, then teaching would be more effective. So I would say either C or D, and I can give extra credit to C because the topic is dynamic. Yes, that's the right answer. By which of the following methods the true evaluation of the students is possible? Evaluation of the student is possible. True evaluation of the students is possible. Evaluation at the end of the course, yes, but it is mandatory. It's mandatory. Summative evaluation is mandatory. Evaluation twice a year. No, I wouldn't say this is the best option. Continuous evaluation would be the best option. Formative evaluation would be the best option. But here we can say that true evaluation of the students is possible. Continuous evaluation is, yes. Okay, formative evaluation and continuous evaluation. We can say that true evaluation of the students is possible. True evaluation. So continuous internal assessment we are conducting. So continuous evaluation is either formative or continuous, I would say. Yes, it is continuous. Next question. Suppose a student wants to share his problems with his teacher and he visits the teacher's house for the purpose. The teacher should contact the student's parents and solve his problem. Okay. The student wants to share his problem with his teacher and he visits the teacher's house for the purpose. So contact the student's parents and solve his problem may be right, but not the best option, I would say, for every situation. Maybe maybe parents is their problem. Maybe that's not the best criteria. Suggest him that should never visit his house. No. Suggest him to meet the principal and solve the problem. No. We can bring student later. Extend reasonable help and boost his morale. Yes. Among the given, this would be the best option because that's what a teacher should do. So we'll check the answer. Yes, extend reasonable help and boost his morale. Yes. When some students are deliberately attempting to disturb the discipline of the class by making mischief, what will be your role as a teacher? Expelling those students? That's what we do, but this teaching aptitude. I wouldn't say it's not the best option to choose this. Isolate those students. Yes, but in the exams we won't do that. Reform the group with your authority. Maybe I would do. Giving them an opportunity for introspection and improve their behavior. Okay. So among these two, the basic, if some students in theory, we we would say that we have to change the seating arrangement. Seating arrangement would be best option. But among these four, this is guard level. This is guard level answer. So giving them an opportunity for introspections and improve their behavior. So I would say that in exams, I would prefer to choose D. Yes, that's the right answer. So basic here is seating arrangement would be the best option. If this option is not given, I would say this one reforms the group with your authority by using some. If, for example, your authority instead of authority, seating arrangement is given, I would say this correct answer. Which of the following qualities is most essential for a teacher? Okay, he should be a learned person. Yes. He should be a well-dressed person. Yes. He should have patience. Yes. He should be an expert in his subject. Yes. So, most essential for a teacher. Among all these, would say that have patience. Among these four, patience would be the best option. The characteristics rather than these are all basics, but characteristics is more important, I would say, in this question or in teaching aptitude, I would say. So he would have patience would be the best option. Yes, that's the best option. Then for maintaining an effective discipline in the class, the teacher should maintaining effective discipline in the class. Teachers should allow students to do what they like. No, that will definitely not a good idea. Deal with students strictly, yes. I would say yes. Giving the students some problem to solve, yes. Okay. Deal them with politely and firmly. Okay. See, among these four, the given option here is the answer they wanted. Answer wanted. So I would say again, deal them with politely and firmly would be the best option. Yes. Right. An effective teaching aid is one which is colorful and good looking. Yes, but there are some colorblind students also. And also, yes, activates all faculties. One which activates all faculties. Okay, is visible to all students. Yes, easy to prepare and use. Yes. I don't know what is the meaning of activates all faculties. Okay, an effective teaching aid is one which is colorful and good looking. Yes, visible to all students. Yes, easy to prepare and use. Easy to prepare and use, I would say yes, but whether it is useful, whether it is effective for students teaching during teaching. So we will check this. I cannot able to understand. Activate all faculties. I cannot be able to understand the meaning. So check this question again. So the answer here given. Okay. An effective teaching aid is one which activates all faculties. We will come back to this question. Next. The essence of an effective classroom environment is a variety of teaching aids, lively student-teacher interaction, yes. Pin drop silence, effective classroom. Pin drop silence, I wouldn't say no. Strict discipline, no. I would say that among these given options, lively student-teacher interaction or variety of teaching. Effective teaching classroom environment. So I would say B would be the best option. Lively student interaction to student-teacher interaction would be the best option given among these options given. Yes, that's the right answer. On the first day of his class, if a teacher is asked by the students to introduce himself, if a teacher is asked by the students to introduce himself, so okay. If a teacher is asked by the students, okay. So, which means a self-introduction of teacher, teacher's introduction, not to not students, but teacher's introduction. So what would be my introduction? We ask them to meet after the class, no. Tell them about himself in brief, yes. Ignore the demand and start teaching, no. Scold the students for this unwanted demand, definitely not. So among these, this would be the right answer because all other threes are in negative way. So I would say this one is in positive way. I would choose tell them about himself in brief is the right answer. Yes. Moral values can be effectively included among the students when the teacher moral values can be effectively inculcated among the students when the teacher frequently talks about values, himself practice them. Yes. Tell stories of great persons, maybe talks of God and goddesses, maybe frequently talk about values. But among these four, if teacher himself practices the values, moral values, then that would be the best option here. Yes. The most important quality of a good teacher is, okay, we have four options given. Sound knowledge of the subject matter. Yes. Good communication skill. Yes. Concern for students' welfare. Yes. Effective leadership qualities. Yes. So among these, most important quality. Okay. Okay. To say that important quality, this is basic. Among these, everything, this is basic. Among these all four, this is basic. So I would say important quality or basic quality. So among all these three, so communication skills, even I would say that it can be it's a learned ability, concern for students' welfare, yes. Effectivity, leadership qualities, yes. But this is basic. So I would say some sound knowledge of subject matter is the best option. Yes. Which one of the following is appropriate in respect of teacher-student relationship? Which one of the following is appropriate in respect of teacher-student relationship? Okay. Very informal and intimate. No, definitely no. Limited to classroom only. I would say no. Cordial and respectful. Yes. Indifferent. No. Among the four, even this is the positive way. This is only the positive way. So I will search what is cordial. Cordial meaning that the greeting or smile, greeting or pleasant, friendly. So this would be the right option. Yes. The academic performance of students can be improved if parents are encouraged to supervise the work of their wards. Yes. Arrange for extra tuition. No. Remain unconcerned about it. Definitely not. Interact with students. Interact with students, teachers, interact with teachers. These two is in positive way. Performance of students can be improved if the students are encouraged to supervise the work of their wards. It would be best. This would be although be best. So either option A or D would be the best option. Yes. In the given option, supervise the work of their wards is the best part. Just a parent have to do. Next, which one of the following is the most important quality of a good teacher? Yes, punctuality and sincerity, content mastery, and reacting. Okay. This is only content mastery, punctuality and sincerity definitely needed, content mastery and reacting. Okay. Important quality again, basic. It means basic quality. I would say again, I will go with content mastery and reacting, or content mastery or sociable. Content mastery and reactive, or content mastery and sociable. So either C or D. Yes, here in the given option, content mastery and reactive is the best option. The primary responsibility for the teacher adjustments. The primary responsibility for teacher's adjustment lies with principal. Here the adjustment will be like alternative. Adjustment basically here the adjustment in the self that alternative. If a student, if your teacher is not present or so is not available for a while, so the principal holds the responsibility of teachers adjustment. So the students can continue. The students can have continuous learning. Okay, the principal would be the best option here, because if a teacher is absent, so he must alternate some faculty. So it should be a policy, and it should be followed by the principal. It should be not followed by. It should be imparted by the principal. Yes. Which one of the following statements is correct? Okay. Syllabus is an annexure to the curriculum. No part of the curriculum. Curriculum is same in all educational institutions. No, differ by university or by autonomous. We have autonomous affiliated colleges, so it is not same. Curriculum includes both formal and informal education. We check again. Curriculum does not include methods of evaluation. No. Curriculum also includes method of evaluation, like A marks, CA marks, external marks, and also it has to given marks in CA 1, 2, model, assignment, seminar. Also, we can have other. So in total, we have to give them. So it also includes method of evaluation, like written examination. We have to conduct seminars and then give marks. Submit minimum 2 assignments. So it also includes evaluation. So among this, curriculum includes both formal and informal education, because all these are parts. So the option given is curriculum includes both formal and informal education. Here formal means teaching. That's what we do. And then informal education means we can make some part of classes. We see, like we have clubs, and then can motivate him to participate in activities or to enlighten his interest, to make him work on himself. So this would be the best option among the given option. Yes, that's the right answer. Okay, so that's all about teaching aptitude. I will check again and give you answers of like recent